Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Azhar Ali, Assistant Professor, Electrical Engineering Department, Sarhad University, Peshawar. Dear students, in this second video lecture of week 13 for the course General Mathematics and Statistics, today we are going to learn about conversion of currencies. In this second video lecture for week 13, we will discuss conversion of currencies, and I would like to repeat the previous topics like Zakat and Ushr. We have already discussed Zakat and Ushr in the first video lecture of week 13. Conversion of currencies. Dear student, first of all, note that what is a currency? Currency means money. Currency means money. Different countries have different currencies. There are over 100 different currencies in the world, all with different names, like rupees. There are over 100 different currencies in the world, all with different names, like rupees, dollar, etc. For example, the Australian currency is called the Australian dollar. In this question, we are going to discuss how to convert one currency, one form of currency to another currency form. So you should to learn about the mathematical procedures, how to convert one currency to another currency. You should to remember the rate of one currency. Then we can easily convert the currency, one currency, to the another currency form. And we can use any softwares, like you can use the simple Google. In the simple Google, you can put the currency. The Google automatically convert one currency to the another currency. But dear students, manually you should to learn manually how to convert one currency to the another currency, and you will to try how to divide, how to multiply it, how to take LCM. You should to learn about the mathematical operations. So some common currencies of the world, like Great Britain, England, Scotland, and Wales. These three are the districts of Great Britain. So Great Britain pound, for this country, the currency name is Great Britain pound. This is the common currency for all these. Great Britain pound, Great Britain pound. United States of America, US dollar. The currency name, the common currency for the United States is US dollar. And for the New Zealand, New Zealand dollar, NZD, New Zealand dollar. And for the France, Spain, Italy, and Germany, for all these countries, the common currency is euro. The common currency for France, Spain, Italy, and Germany is euro. Now, the common currency for Japan, yuan, and Indonesia, rupiah, South Africa, rand, and Thailand, baht. These are the currency name for these countries. Now, converting between currencies. It is possible to convert one currency to another currency, as I have already told you in the previous slides, that the purpose of this lecture to convert one currency into the other currency. But for this for this purpose, you should note that the conversion rate between currency change every day. Every currency rate is changed day by day. So first of all, find the actual amount of the currency. Then we can change the currency, one currency, to the another currency form. For example, you see here some examples converting the following Australian dollar amount to the given currency. Well, these are the Australian dollar amount: 200, 120, $100, and $500. To convert this Australian dollar to USD dollar. So first of all, find the amount of one Australian dollar. One Australian dollar is equal to USD dollar. So if we find the one currency, the $1 amount is equal to what? USD. Then multiply that amount to 200. You will convert the $200 of Australian dollar to the USD. And in this case, find the amount of one Australian dollar is equal to what? Euro. Then multiply that amount to 120. The Australian amount, this Australian amount will be converted to the euro. Now, New Zealand dollar. First of all, find the amount of Australian $1 is equal to New Zealand dollar. Then multiply that amount to the Australian dollar of 500. The 500 Australian dollar will be converted to the New Zealand dollar. For example, one Pakistani rupees to Saudi riyal. So suppose one Saudi riyal is 35 rupees. One Saudi riyal is 35 rupees. Then 700 Saudi riyal is equal to Pakistani rupees, or is 700 Saudi riyal multiplied 35. Suppose one Saudi riyal is equal to 35 rupees. So 700 Saudi riyal is equal to 700 multiplied 35 rupees. 700 multiplied 35. Because I would like to tell you again, dear student, note that if we want to convert the Saudi riyal to Pakistani rupees, then first of all, find the amount of one Saudi riyal. One Saudi riyal is equal to, suppose, 35 rupees. Then 700 Saudi riyal is equal to Pakistani rupees multiplied the 700 Saudi riyal with the 35, you will get Pakistani rupees from the Saudi riyal. So dear students, in this question you see here the conversion of currency, and what is zakat, and what is the rate of zakat. The zakat rate is 2.5 for the 100 rupees. And what will be the rate of zakat if we have some total amount for 1 year. But this is the very important point. Note that who is sahib nisab for the zakat, and what is the nisab. 7.5 tola gold and 52.5 tola silver are the cash amount equal to this amount. Gold or silver is called nisab, and the Muslim who keep one of these things for 1 year is called Sahib Nisab. Only Sahib Nisab Muslim is required to pay 2.5% of or 140 of the wealth to the poor and needy person. If the person has 7.5 tola gold and 52.5 tola silver, or the cash amount equivalent to the value of this quantity of gold or silver, then the Muslim should pay to zakat for the poor and needy persons. If the persons have these 7.5 tola gold and 52.5 tola silver, or the cash amount equal to the value of this quantity for 1 year, then the Muslim should pay zakat at the rate of 2.5%. And for the osher, if the rent is aggregated by natural sources, then the person should pay 10% of the product of the land
And if the land is aggregated by the artificial sources, then the person should to pay 5% of the product of the land. And this is the end of this segment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.